It's a 2017 Buick Regal. Make an impression in this expectation-shattering Regal. The race-inspired accents hint at the thrilling ride ahead. It's well equipped with features you need: external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Of the Regal, the Car Connection notes it marries European driving dynamics, tidy sports sedan styling, and quite a bit of elegance. Imaginative luxury for the real world. That's today's Buick. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.